Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the BITSET examination. What are the strategies which we have to follow in this BITSET examination? What is the time management? And what is the difference between JEE Mains examination and BITSET examination? As you can see, BITSET examination only have 75 questions in 180 minutes, whereas in BITSET examination we are going to have 150 questions. So what is the change in strategy which we have to follow in BITSET examination to get into top branches of BITS Pilani, BITS Hyderabad and BITS Goa? So let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's talk about the total number of questions. In BITSET examination we have 180 minutes, means 3 hours, in which we have to attempt 150 questions. If we are going to attempt all the 150 questions, then we are going to get 12 bonus questions. What if you can attempt 140 questions approximately, then you should also attempt 10 more questions to get 12 bonus questions. Now what is the strategy which we have to follow in order to attempt maximum number of questions and to gain maximum marks? So let's talk about the time management. Since we have 40 questions for physics, 40 questions for chemistry, 45 questions for maths and 15 and 10 questions for English and logical reasoning. Since English and logical reasoning are as an easier part, so first of all we must attempt English and logical reasoning first of all at the first time in the paper. So let's say the maximum time you should give in English and logical reasoning is 20 minutes. For the chemistry part, maximum time is, which I think you should give, is 30 minutes, and you can swap your physics part and maths part as per your convenience, as per 45 minutes and 50 minutes. And at last, when you attend all the paper, if your questions left, then you should focus on the remaining questions, and if you have attended all the questions, then you should go for the bonus questions. So what is important is in the JEE Mains examination, if you score less, then it is also probability is also high that you can get NITs and some top private colleges. But in the BITS examination, if you attempt less than 250 or 240 marks, then you are not going to get a good branch in BITS Pilani. So what should be your strategies to attempt maximum questions that you can attempt? So you can just see what is the trend that is going on for the last 3 years for the BITS Pilani approximately. As you can see, if you want core branches in BITS Pilani, you must score at least 315 marks. As you can see, if you want computer science, electronics and instrumentation, mechanical branch and MSc in economics, then you must score at least 315 marks. Means 320 marks should be on the safe side if you want top branches in BITS Pilani or BITS Hyderabad, BITS Goa. So let's talk how to gain that marks. So first of all, let's assume that you have attempted 100 questions in the BITS paper. So let's assume that you have 90 questions correct and 10 incorrect. Then you are going to score 260 marks. As you can see here, if you score 260 marks, then you are going to get BE Civil, Mechanical and MSc in Chemical. Most of the students are in this range, 100 attempt, and they score 260 marks. But if you want these top branches, then you must increase your attempt, and it should be accurately. Means what is needed is accuracy as well as speed. In the JEE Mains paper, your thinking depends, that you have practical questions. But in the case of BITS paper, the practical thinking does not matter that much. What matters is formula based questions, directly reaction based questions. So accuracy as well as speed both are going to matter. As you can see, if you have attempted 130 questions and if you have 150 correct and 15 wrong answer, then you are going to score 330. Means if you want these top branches, then you should be in this much range at least. means you must at least attempt 130 questions, and your accuracy should be also high, means at most 20 questions, 20 marks questions should be wrong. So this should be the strategy. As you can see, means it gives you a rough idea how many questions you should attempt to get what is desired, yeah, which branch you desire in the top, in the BITS Pilani or BITS Goa Hyderabad. Now let's talk about the books you should refer in these 7 to 8 days. I think it is means all the students, most of the students follow these books. They that are self study for BITSET for Arihant, and BITSET handbook. Handbook is very important because handbook actually have a direct formulas, important formula reaction of each chapter, so you can go for that. So what is important is, as you can go for these 7 to 8 days, you can have self study for BITSET for Arihant and BITSET handbook, chapter wise short notes which you can go through in the last 3 or 4 days of BITSET examination, and you can easily crack that. Link in the description I have given. If you want, you can buy from that. So best of luck for your BITSET examination and for JEE Advanced examination.